Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 2. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 3. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 4. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 5. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 6. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 7. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 8. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 9. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 10. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 11. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 12. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 13. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 14. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 15. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 16. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 17. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 18. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 19. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 20. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 21. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 22. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 23. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 24. Find the nearest hundredths. Number 25. Find the nearest hundredths. Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.